Particle life is a fascinating artificial life simulation that creates surprisingly organic behavior from simple rules. Different colored particles are scattered across space, each with attraction or repulsion rules toward other colors. Red particles might attract blues while repelling greens, and so on. From these simple interactions, complex patterns emerge. Particles cluster, spiral, orbit, and form structures that look almost alive. It's a beautiful example of how simple rules create unexpected complexity. And now, with particle life built into Physion, you can create these behaviors yourself. Let's take a look at some demo scenes created with Physion. Let's create a particle life simulation using the Physion app. Start by opening Physion and creating a new scene. For better contrast, change the background color to black. Next, open the Tools menu and select Particle Life. A dialog box will appear. Just leave all the default settings as they are and click Execute. You'll now see a new Particle Life node added to your scene. Fit the node to your viewport so you can see everything clearly. Now click the Start button to run the simulation. Watch as the particles begin to move and interact. They're following the default configuration of the Particle Life node. Let's make things a bit more interesting by tweaking some parameters. Select the node and open the Property Editor. Here you'll find all the adjustable properties that control how the particles behave. Try changing a few values. You'll notice the simulation instantly updates as you make edits. Experiment with these settings to discover fascinating patterns and behaviors.